Hey everyone, a lot of people were asking me how the droids get built. Um, they're held together with a lot of dowels, pipes, glue, magnets. I don't have one to put together, but HK-47 I have to sand and paint, so I'm going to dismantle it so you can get an idea of how it gets built. So we'll start with the head, which is pretty simple. It pops right off. There is a neck piece that'll eventually get glued down. As you can see, it's screwed in here with furniture bolts. And the head has empty eyes, which I'll eventually fill in and put lights behind. But to get inside the head, the back comes off. As you can see, I have drilled in and glued in some magnets, which makes it easy to get the back of the head on and off. The upper body, the arms are a little complicated on this one. They screw in from this direction and then this direction. So as you can see, I put this on with dowels, but I'm not going to glue them in. I'm just going to leave them in there. That way, if I got to tighten this or take it apart, I'll make it easy. Also on the side, in here, you can't see it right now, but in here, I got magnets, so this cover can pop off easier. The hands, if you look at the hands, they come right out. There's a groove in here. Eventually, you can see it on this side. There's a hole here where a pin will go. That'll keep the hand in, allowing it to move in different directions. Eventually, I'll glue that together. Then this slides off easy. Same with the other side. This comes off. Hand comes off. That slides off. And then for the torso, eventually I'm going to take these off. I'm not going to bore you with me unscrewing the shoulder and the arms. You can see by the elbows there also have furniture screws in there. Eventually I'm going to fill in these gaps here. I'm going to try two different things. I've been using Bondo, so I'm going to try a Bondo putty this time on this side, and some different type of glaze I got for modeling. I'm going to try and see which one's better. One's a little less toxic. But the torso is pretty simple. Pops right off. I'll put this on the floor over here. And then you got the main body. As you can see, the pole in here, that is a curtain rod. So you cut it for stability, and that slides right off. Now for the bottom part. Eventually all these pieces will get glued together. There is a curtain rod that runs from up here straight down to the bottom. Obviously there's a curtain rod in here for the torso. The sides of the knee pop off. They're held on with dowels. And then getting the body apart is the fun part. As you can see, it's multiple pieces. And it doesn't matter if I drop them, because I made them with a very big infill just for that, in case that happened. You can see the legs have a curtain rod going straight through them, all the way down. All has to be glued, all doweled. But since I'm going to be painting things different colors, I didn't want to glue anything yet. If you see in the bottom, it doesn't come with a hole in the foot, but I drilled one anyway that goes right into the curtain rod. This is so if I make a base, I'll be able to slide this over and make it more stable. But other than that, it's just printing everything into the different pieces and building a model like you did when you were a kid. One piece at a time, glue. As I said, glue, curtain rods, furniture screws, and magnets. So it's just a little bit time consuming with the sanding and painting. So if you'd like to try, I buy them the files off the droid division off Etsy. They're like $30, $40. You download them, and as you can see, you slowly print. Right now I got the Droidica going, and that's going to probably be about a month of parts to print and about 45 rolls of filament. So that'll be a big one compared to this one, which probably was around 8 to 10 rolls of filament. So That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll reply. Talk to everyone later. Thanks.